It's a proper Christmas gift, you guys. It was #1 on my wish list for the longest time. Hi friends, welcome back to another video. Right from the start, I want to wish you a very Merry Christmas. I hope you guys are having a wonderful time. I myself am currently on holidays. As you can tell, I'm not recording in my usual settings. I'm actually recording this video in my aunt's house. So I'm visiting some family in Poland at the moment, and I figured while I'm here, I'm gonna check out some online plant shops to see what they have available, what are the price differences also between Poland and France. Because I've had some rare variegated houseplants on my wish list for a really long time, and I thought, well, I'll make myself a little Christmas gift. And then some of my family members actually found out that I'm buying plants, and they said, you know, we would like to also offer you some plants for Christmas, so why don't you order yourself a couple more plants? So I was really lucky to buy myself 5 plants from my wish list, so I'm really excited and I cannot wait to show you guys what I have inside these boxes. Today I'm only gonna be unboxing and showing you what I got, because obviously I have to still transport all of these plants in my suitcase back home. So I'm only gonna show you what I bought, I'm gonna unpack them, and then I'm gonna keep actually the packaging so that I can fit it in my suitcase. And then once I'm back home, I'm gonna show you how I'm repotting them and kind of share a few maintenance tips. So without further ado, let's start with the first box. So some of these plants are, they are, as I said, they are all rare and variegated, but some are, let's say, more rare than others. You know, some are more commonly available than others. I actually have no idea what is in which box, so let's dive in. I'm actually really curious as to packaging. As you can see, they're all packaged separately because I ordered them from 4 different shops, kind of to check out different shops, you know, how they package their plants, kind of what's the condition of their plants, in case if one day I want to order some plants again while I'm here. Okay, I see a couple of plants here. Okay, so here are the first couple of plants. Let's start with this one. I'm really excited to grow this one. There we go. So here is the first plant, variegated string of pearls. So back in the day, when I lived in my family house, I had a south-facing window. I grew a whole bunch of cacti and succulents, and this was one of my all-time favorite plants. But back in the day I had just a classic string of pearls, not the variegated version. So now I'm really excited to grow this variegated one. Quite a low maintenance plant. As long as you don't overwater it, it's gonna be fine. Lots of light, not a lot of water, and it's gonna be fine. So the second plant was my #1. Like, it was #1 on my wish list for the longest time. So I'm super excited. Ta-da! Look at this teeny tiny variegated leaf. This is just the prettiest thing I've seen today, honestly. So this is Alocasia Frydek variegata. It's a teeny tiny baby plant, but looking super healthy. We have some new leaves unfurling, and the new leaves are a bit larger than these. So this plant is super small, as you can tell, but Alocasias, you know, they grow pretty large, and as the plant grows, as it matures, it produces larger and larger leaves. So really happy. This one is not the easiest one to grow. It definitely is, definitely requires some maintenance, but I hope, fingers crossed, that I will make it happy in my apartment. Okay, next. Oh, I have it upside down, okay? I think, or maybe not. So generally the packaging is excellent. Like, I have never seen plants packaged this well. And the packaging was included, like I didn't have to pay extra money, extra fees for the special packaging, because, you know, we are in the middle of winter, it's super cold outside. So the plants are really well protected. Oh, looking healthy. So this next plant also, I should stop saying that it was on my wish list, because I already said that all of these plants were on my wish list. But check this out. Look how beautiful and how healthy this plant is. So here we have a variegated string of hearts, Saropegia woodii. Such a beautiful plant, also really easy to grow, really easy to propagate. I cannot wait to start propagating this plant once it grows a little bit bigger. Beautiful trailing plant, really easy maintenance, doesn't require much. Gorgeous variegated hearts. Okay, still a couple of plants remaining. I really wanna check what's inside this huge box, because as you can see, all of these plants came in a very small boxes. They are all really tiny, but I don't understand why this box is so huge. I mean, there has either been a mistake or there's just so much packaging inside, because yeah, I'm kind of anxious right now, because if it's not my plant, I'm gonna be really disappointed. Oh wow, okay. It's a proper Christmas gift, you guys. I mean, this is some really great frost protection. OMG. You guys, I think there has been a mistake, but not like in a bad way. Okay. I need a moment here. So what happened is I ordered a leaf cutting. I'm pretty sure I ordered a leaf cutting of a very rare variegated plant, and what I got is not a cutting, but a quite a decent sized plant. I mean, if there has been a mistake, I need to recheck, but I'm pretty sure I ordered a leaf cutting. If this is a mistake, then it's the best Christmas gift ever, honestly. Check this out. Ta-da! This is a Monstera adansonii albo variegata, and you guys, I really don't think I ordered this big of a plant. This size plant is really expensive, so I'm just like really excited right now, and I don't know what to think about it. Isn't she gorgeous? Look at those leaves. I mean, this one is like fully variegated. I mean, it's all white. So yeah, I mean, as I said, I think it's a happy mistake. I won't complain. I'm super happy about this. I've been wanting a Monstera like this for a while. I'm not a huge Monstera fan, just because they get so enormous, and I live in a small apartment. I don't have a space for like a huge variegated Monstera deliciosa. But this adansonii can be grown as a trailing plant or as a climbing plant. Actually, I'm gonna be growing it as a climber. So I want to buy a moss pole and have it, you know, climb up the moss pole. But all of this I'm gonna show you once I'm back home, obviously. So super happy with this one, and now we just have one last box to open. One last plant, really well packaged as well. I'm already happy. Let's pull it out. There we go, a little variegated heart. So this is Hoya carrii variegata. I was hoping to buy a slightly larger one, but they are actually kind of hard to get, you know, a plant that already has several hearts. So obviously these are leaves, and the plant is going to produce more heart-shaped leaves. But what's interesting, obviously there are several Hoya carrii, and I think they're all really pretty. I don't remember the exact names of those cultivars, but there's obviously a non-variegated one, so full green. There's variegated one that has some white spots or white, let's say, splashes. But a really interesting one that I discovered while browsing for this one. So this is, as I said, Hoya carrii variegata, but there's also a reversed variegata. So this one has a green center and white margins, but there's also one that has a white center and green margins. It can be grown as a climber, or you can make it trail, but I have a really cute idea. I saw online someone grows this Hoya on like a heart-shaped trellis, so I think that's really cute, you know, to make this heart-shaped plant grow on a heart-shaped trellis. So I think that I'm gonna try to create something similar. Okay, you guys, so here it is, my small plant haul of baby variegated plants. I am super happy with this order. I don't think I've ever been this happy with buying plants online. Honestly, they came packaged perfectly, secured perfectly. There was absolutely no soil spilled. The plants are in perfect conditions, and they were delivered within 2 working days. Absolutely amazing sellers. I'm really happy. Next time I'm in Poland, I'm definitely ordering some more plants. Now just the tricky part, you know, to secure them and to bring them home in my suitcase. but I think that with all the packaging that they gave me, it should be fine. Just FYI, it's totally legal. I can bring plants abroad. We are within the European Union. There are no restrictions, and I have done that before already. So cannot wait to bring them home, repot them, and to share that with you, and to give you some updates as they grow, hopefully. Fingers crossed they grow to happy and healthy plants in my apartment. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video, this little plant unboxing. Hope it gave you some ideas and inspiration for some rare or more unique plants that you can add to your houseplant collection. Thanks so much for joining me. Thanks for watching, and we'll see each other in the next video. Bye! By the way, my ounce cat has been asleep on the couch the whole time. He doesn't share my enthusiasm for plants.